Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nagbenta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but 6% ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Khynnah Liberty Higher Secondary School, kabadan hakashtong mo kurdup, Jawai West Gentle Hills, sashi sing la pau biang kum ka school. Kabla ban se ki Khynnah ki minat, but ki pass ba, hai ka examen bala penlong, da ka Meghalaya Board of School Education, kabla penmanai ka result jang ka Higher Secondary School Living Certificate, Science Stream, hakasantre ku jemang arajar arpusan. Nakani ka school, kidan arung ki Khynnah school bakin thop, ya kerisa I Christine Shooting, kabla yorung hakikadan kabasan, bakarila na I ka sari, kabla yorung hakikadan kabakandai. Hakani ka jing pemenaya ka result, ka school not liberty, kalayo ka pass percentage ka bakot 6%, hakababaro sa punrungun ka biyakunya ka examen kila pass load.
Kita beri segmen disambut seperti yang lain, mereka kepada ya udah betul yang kon yang ini, udah ye koi ketika kita udah koi ketika kaum, jadi lah dapat segmen yangการการเรียนคนบางโยนการมันก็ลิงก์กิจการในการทำอย่างกันมีการกิจการนะมีการกิจการในเรื่องอย่างนี้อย่าคัดว่าเยี่ยมละอย่างนี้อย่า support อย่างนี้ดูกันสรุปลังว่าอย่างจริงเป็นไรอย่าบทลังบทใบบทจริงมั้งอะไรจริงเป็นไรอย่างสกุลคำที่นี่สกุลในเรื่องสกุลนะในจริงอยากฟังองค์สอบ principal kami boleh dinamikai kami subjek mandi kerja kita mandi guide jiwa nong jiwa ibor imesin wadakan budaya aduh boleh di kon yang ini kami boleh wa kelas yang kala boleh guna bah jadi yang kita kita ini kita dibot tim wan yang sekolah dah orang ini ikat punya balai itu dah itu karena tentu ini cuman beri manfaat yang support ini income kan itu adalah income apa
So first of all, I thank God and I thank my parents for their support and my family, especially both my parents, my brothers, my grandfather, my uncles, my aunts, and most importantly school, my teachers and our sir principal who have provided us with one of the best facilities, the best opportunities to grow. And I thank my teachers for their relentless efforts and their guidance. Without their efforts, we wouldn't be here as students. And I thank them and I thank God most importantly. It was through His wisdom I've come here. So thank you.
First of all, I give thanks to God because He's always been there with me to always bless, always give me blessings and health. And secondly, I only like to thank my principal, my teachers, my parents for being so supportive, and they never leave my side despite, of course, I have many failures throughout this journey, and they never fail to support me. This is what brings me in the current position. First of all, there's no substitution to hard work. We only need to work hard and work smart. That's the most important thing. We should trust ourselves and always to prioritize our health and sleep. We should never fail to take care of ourselves because without health, then all this hard work and all will not pay off. That's it.
Kaya result ka ba niyo huniusnan? Kalong kay ka ba smokeman? Banpay ka result? Aga science but ka art stream niyo biyang 100% pass. Hanggang ba-fail, naga-art stream ni pa 10 prangut ki Khynnah, barbro 10 prangut ki pass, naga first division, arpo niyongut ki 1, naga-art stream, arpo argut naga second division, batang hindayngut naga third division. Kubang kwa kandiat benito ibi, kini Khynnah arts ki bangiyo, ki babon na ki kamiyo first division, naga SSLC exam. Ring smokeman ba alpon yung naki matagi first division naga arts stream but don't gi Khynnah ki wala jam yo top 10 and they ko bang oi all students do well, but only 10 students who are able to get that position. So it doesn't matter whether you are in the position or you are not, but as long as you are close to the toppers, you have done well. Distinction ro New York kumba aku pratali distinction of the arts stream. So this is a very good story from the arts department. Coming to the science stream. Like a science stream, so Ngut ki Khynnah ila exam ki na North Liberty. When nagini ki so Ngut was yakumen. So Ngut your first division gi. Almost 10% your first division. And only 2 students got second division. And out of the 44 students, nagini ki so Ngut ki Khynnah 90 distinctions were brought to North Liberty by the 46 students of the school. And among the 46 students of the school, we were so happy that God has brought 2 position holders from North Liberty. In the 5th position, we have Risa Christine Suting, and in the 9th position, we have Rilana Ika Sari. But the story that really lightens my face is that very seldom do we see that students who get top 10 or top 20 in class 10 again get top 10 in class 12. But here both our position holders are students who had studied in our school from the beginning. Since they were small children, they were in North Liberty, and they are completing their schooling in North Liberty in style. And it makes me so happy to have parents who trust the school, who don't think otherwise but just believe that the school can give them the best education. Even though we are from Joy, they believe that we can get education which is at par with the education that is given in bigger cities of the country. Risa, when she was in class 10, she got the 11th position, I believe. So this is a promotion. She has come from the 11th position in class 10 to the 5th position in class 12. Rilana Ika barely made it to the top 20. She was in the 20th position in class 10, and she had a very big jump from the 20th position to now coming in the 9th position of class 12 science. So these are the good things that are happening to our school, but I would also like to bring to light, amongst a lot of talk about the education system in Meghalaya. In fact, I, for one, have strong belief in the education department of government of Meghalaya, and I take pride to be one of the schools of the Meghalaya Board of School Education. And I'll tell you, I would like to make sure that our board and our state bring back the glory that once was held by our state as being the state where you could get the best education. And I believe if all parents, all teachers, all stakeholders put their trust in our state and in our board, we can bring back the past glory of our state. In fact, seeing my children come from class 10 and now graduating through class 12, if the system is not right, this will not happen. And I'll tell you, our students who have studied in MBOS from the beginning till class 12 have made it to the Meghalaya quota for medical seats. In fact, last year, 7 of our students were placed in the Meghalaya quota for medical. If the education system offered by our state and MBOS is not good, how can that happen? We are at par. But we need to trust, we need to believe that our state can, our teachers can, our school can, then our board will be the best board. So my prayer and request to all schools who are under the Meghalaya Board of School Education, let us join hands and work together to make our state a state that other people from other states will want to come and study. My dream would come true when I see that students from other states will come back to Meghalaya and study in the different schools and colleges of Meghalaya. So once again, I thank one and all for this great result. The teachers have done their job. Today morning, after the results were declared, I called the teachers and congratulated them. This result would not be possible if the teachers hadn't done their part. And I believe that the teachers have worked hard, the students have worked hard, and we have reaped the fruit of their hard work.